Strapping like the narco. Got like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Cut throat, chop tree with the Draco. On the north, got the Diego. Say I'm still a wiggle. BM rap kilos. Philip knows what potato. My skin black like
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the heat, man.
Yeah.
All right, so what's going on with this thing?
So far, I've got the airlift 3P system on it. It's got special custom wheels from Starkforge Wheels. They're 13 inches in the rear, 12 in the front. What else? It's got the full exhaust on it from Porsche. What else is on the
Stock headers?
Yeah, so far everything's stock motor.
Stock cats?
No, there's no cats on it.
No cats. And then what'd you say? Corsa catback.
Extreme, yeah.
All right, let's hear this thing rev. Yeah, that thing, it's got a nice growl to it. So with the Corsa, is it just mufflers at the back? Any resonators?
It's got the resonators in the rear. Yeah.
Resonators on the rear. Okay. And you haven't done any engine work yet?
Not as far as just cosmetics on no.
Oh, that looks good. Who did the graphics?
I did. Yeah,
That looks
I did
good.
myself.
So what, would you hydro dip it or something?
Yeah.
The detail is nice. The air intake, did you notice that when you put the air intake, the supercharger got louder?
Yeah, got a lot louder.
A lot of guys with Hellcats say it's almost a must to do that.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So how's this kit treating you?
So, it's pretty good so far.
What's the name of it? I
What
remember.
is it, Protov?
Okay.
It's out of Russia.
And you like it? You recommend it?
Oh yeah, I like it. It's different, it's unique, you know.
Did you cut the fenders underneath?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay. No rubbing, no issues like that?
No issues at all.
Okay. I'll tell you, looking at you from the back, man, it's a wide mother effer. Did you do anything to the inside of it?
So far, just the white carbon fiber trim on the dash, and then I made the controller mount for the airlift right there. Some of the AC venues.
Yeah. Oh, that is really cool. I bet you get a ton of looks with this thing.
So far, yeah, everybody's always stopping me asking about it.
They're like, what the hell is this thing?
Yeah, yep.
Did you do the installation or?
So I had a shop in Orlando, Kissimmee, called Speed Zone. Put the kit on, and then my buddy up at Spring Break Lab in Apopka did the carbon fiber wrap.
Nice. Dude, I think it looks sharp, man. So what other plans, what are you thinking? What else are you doing?
So far, I have Demon injectors. What else do I have?
They're not installed yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, so
at the house I got the injectors. I've got the lifters, the spring kit, cam.
whose cam did you go with? Is it a custom or off the shelf?
It's custom. What size was it? It's a I've got the 85 kit for it at the house. I'm waiting.
Oh, you're gonna see major gains with that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. From a visual standpoint, you're all set.
Yeah. I'm working on the motor.
And then what did you say the bags were?
I got Airlift 3P.
Okay. That's nice because you could. I saw when you were driving around, you were riding a little bit higher.
Yeah.
It's nice to see it like drop down, and a lot of guys, man, they drop their cars and then you hear them scraping along. Yeah.
These cars cost too much for that.
Absolutely. Nice. Now, how much did the air suspension cost you?
So being prior military, I think I paid $24 for it.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, considering that just adjustable coilovers are probably around, $1,300-1,400. So now you have the flexibility of up and down with a button. What did you control it on your phone?
Yeah. So I got the controllers in the car that I have the app on my iPhone. Yeah.
That's cool, man. So your Instagram is Godspeed707. Now you're going to be adding more horsepower. So you got to. Are you going to change your Instagram name?
Well, I'll change it to Godspeed 1000.
Okay. Dude, getting 1,000 horsepower out of this it's so easy. Oh, you got the same tires that's going on my Scat Pack.
Yeah.
So the Toyo Proxy. What did you think? These are bigger. They're 325. I'm only putting 305.
That's what I had on it when it was still narrow body. It was 305.
What do you think of the Toyo Proxy though? You when you get on it, you grip.
Yeah, they stick.
You're pushing some nice power too. So I should be able to catch traction. No problem. And then what do you have in the front? Same size and everything?
Those are
285. Whoa. Damn, you got a lot of tread hitting the ground. Damn.